ẹrù lòdò ṣùtá ọlọ́run tó ẹrù ọba ẹgbẹ́ ọlọ́run tó Seyi Makinde ọlọ́run tó ẹrù ọba ẹgbẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́run tó ẹrù ló bá ẹgbẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́run tó ẹrù ló bá ẹgbẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́run tó ẹrù lòdò ṣùtá ọlọ́run tó ẹrù ọba ẹgbẹ́ wọlé.
Just standard on the already established protocol, but having said that, I still have to recognize and thank specially Your Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And my brothers, the executive governor of the state, Senator Ri'leke, the Excellency Executive Governor of the state, and the Executive Governor of the state, Governor Ri'leke. Thank you so much for identifying. Thank you always for your support. All the former governors here, please permit me to just recognize you without going through the laundry. Ẹ̀bùn kí gbogbo orí adé ọrùn lẹ̀kẹ́ náà ti ẹ̀wà ń ní. Ẹ̀bùn kí kábíyèsí tuntun. Baba mi, His Imperial Majesty, Rashidi Aliwolu, Ladoja, Harrison the First. And kí kó látọ̀tọ̀, mo kí gbogbo àyíká wá láti federal, all the federal mics, combination of staff of office, His Imperial Majesty, Rashidi Aliwolu, Ladoja, Harrison the First, as the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan land. I say congratulations to all sons and daughters of Ibadan land at home and in diaspora. Never will go crash Larry and even coming from the airport, the excitement. Also, we must uphold our tradition. And I also want to say that today, all challenges associated with Ibadan traditional institution is now over and behind us. This is the traditional, the succession, the process is now sacrosanct. We know everything about that succession. So Jamo, Daddy, ṣé ẹ ti ní kí wọ́n Ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ àbí kí wọ́n sí ibi tá a ti jẹ Olúbàdàn ẹ̀mẹ́fẹ́ àwọn òtún yẹ̀ láti ṣe coronation fún 42nd, 43rd, and this is 44th. Ọmọ Ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ lónìí. Torí pé ẹ má pè mí náà tó bá mọ́ ẹ má pè mí lóye ọmọ ọba ẹ má pè mí sí.
Makinde sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ ayé òní mú ẹ sí múnimúni kì í má tẹ́kùn sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ ayé òní mú ẹ sí.
History was literally made today. The president landed at Ibadan airport, the first wide-body aircraft ever to land in Ìbàdàn airport.
International.
So ìgbà kábíyèsí ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa tù wá lára àbí kò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀.
A ti ṣí airport tuntun. Tinubu ṣé wọn náà ṣó ń gbọ́ ṣó ń gbọ́ ṣó. Àwọn olódòdà àwọn olódòdà olódòdà. A ti ṣí airport o. Wáyé.
So I join Oyo State government, sons and daughters of Ibadan land, láti kí kábíyèsí tuntun ìgbà yín á tù wá lára o. Your time will bring peace, progress and prosperity to Ibadan land and to Oyo State. Thank you and God bless you.
Ọmọ ti gbé lọ́sẹ̀ nílẹ̀ yìí o. Wọ́n ní kí àkọ́bí Tinubu.